Now start Advanced Math class 10, exercise 2.2, question number 3b. If z1 equals to 7 plus 3i and z2 equals to thrice I minus 7, then find the following: z1 into z2, comma, z1 inverse into z2 inverse, comma, z1 by z2, comma, z1 inverse by z2 inverse, and z1 into z2 inverse. Okay, solution: given z1 equals to 7 plus thrice I and z2 equals to thrice I minus 7, you have to write z2 equals to minus 7 plus 3i. Also, z1 inverse equals to, you can see, z1 equals to 7 plus thrice I. So you can write 7 minus thrice I, and z2 inverse equals to minus 7 minus thrice I. Okay, minus 7 minus thrice I. Okay, so now we have to find z1 into z2, z1 into z2. So value of z1, 7 plus thrice I into value of z2, minus 7 plus thrice I, minus 7 plus thrice I. Okay, now you have to write thrice I plus 7. Okay, so thrice I minus 7. Now you can see this one, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square. Okay, thrice I whole square minus 7 square. Okay, so what happened? Minus 9 minus 49. Okay, minus 9 minus 49. So we will be get minus 58. This one answer. Again, z1 inverse into z2 inverse, z1 inverse into z2 inverse. So value of z1 inverse, 7 minus 3i, 7 minus 3i into value of z inverse 2. Okay, that means z2 inverse. So minus 7 minus 3i. Okay, now multiple these two. So what happened? Minus 49 minus 21i plus 21i plus 9i square. Okay, so what happened? Minus 49, this minus 21 and this plus 21, so will be cancelled, then minus 9. So what happened here? You can see minus 58. Okay, this one answer. Now we have to find z1 by z2. So now we have to find z1 into z1 by z2, z1 by z2 equals to, so value of z1, how much value? You can see 7 plus thrice I. Okay, 7 plus thrice I by value of z2, so minus 7 plus thrice I. Now you have to write thrice I plus 7, so thrice I minus 7. Now you do rationalist. Okay, that means thrice I minus 7 into thrice I plus 7. Okay, so what happened? Thrice I plus 7 into thrice I plus 7. Okay, thrice I plus 7. Now you can see denominator. What happened? A minus b into a plus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So 3i whole square minus 7 square. Okay, now this one a plus b into a plus b. So we can write a plus b whole square formula. So what happened? 3i whole square plus 2 into 3i into 7 plus 7 square. Okay, so what happened you can see. So 3i square means minus 9 plus 23, sorry, 2 into 3 6 42. Okay, 42i plus 49 by minus 9 minus 49. So whatever you can see minus 58. Okay, so the numerator 40 plus 42i. So now you take common 2 numerator. Okay, so then 20 plus 21i. Okay, then minus 58. Then this one will be cancelled. So what happened, 29 here. Now you can write 20 plus 21i by minus 29. Now you have to write minus 20 by 29. So minus 21 by 29 of I. Okay, this one answer. Now we have to find Z1 inverse by Z2 inverse. Okay, now we have to find Z1 inverse by Z2 inverse. So value of Z1 inverse. So how much value? 7 minus 3i. 7 minus 3i. Value of Z2 inverse. So minus 7 minus 3i. Now 7 minus 3i. You can see denominator. Okay, so you take common minus, then 7 plus 3i. Okay, now you do rationalist. So 7 minus thrice I minus 7 plus thrice I into 7 minus thrice I. Okay, so 7 minus thrice I. Now this one a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So minus 7 square minus 3i whole square. Okay, then this one a minus b into minus b, then we can write a minus b whole square formula. Okay, so 7 square minus 2 into 7 into 3i plus 3i whole square. Okay, now you can see here minus 49 plus 9. Okay, so 49 minus 42i minus 9. Okay, then what happened? So minus 58, then 40 minus 42i. Now you take common 2. So 2 of 20 minus 21i. Okay, by minus 58. So this one will be cancelled. So what happened? Minus 29, then numerator 20 minus 21i. Now you have to write minus 20 by 29, then minus minus plus, so 21 by 29 of I. Okay, this one answer. Now last one, Z1 into Z2 inverse. Okay, last one. Last one, Z1 into Z2 inverse. So value of Z1 7 plus 3i and value of Z2 inverse. So minus 7 plus, sorry, minus 7 minus 3i. Okay, minus 7 minus 3i. Okay, so multiple these two, minus 49 minus 21i minus 21i, then minus 9, 3 3s are 9i square. Okay, so what happened? Minus 49 minus 42i plus 9. Then what happened here? You can see minus 40 minus 42i. You take common minus, so 40 plus 42i. Okay, this one answer. Please subscribe my channel.